Hello friends, Marcy here. Coming to you on the very first day of spring 2022, and it is a gorgeous day. I'm going to finish up using leftover pieces of my March kit. Lucky Be a Lady, actually, the March kit for the Hobonichi weeks and from DEKdesigns. And so I was looking at this week's, which ends today on Sunday, and I had recorded this weather at the beginning of the week last week, and today's forecast as of last Sunday was 77 and 54, and it's close because actually today I just made a little note that it's actually going to be 80 and sunny today, so it's nice, but it is windy. Friday was a very windy day. Yesterday was gorgeous. It was beautiful outside, and today the wind is getting up again. So just looking back, I want to double check. I did have another jet pins order that I made yesterday. I'm not expected to receive it until the 29th, but I got another Hobonichi A6, gorgeous, the Petite Roses, the new one. I wanted the A5, but I have so many A5 planners covers already. Anyway, and another TWSBI with the stub nib, because I received mine last week and it is so much fun. I'm going to share more about that later, but I did get my hair cut. My daughter did that when I went to her house on Thursday, and then I planted some patio pots with tomatoes and flowers and such. I did organize some craft and my planter cart and my home office. There's more to do. If I were to pull items out of another crevice, then I'd have more to sort through. But I feel so much better being in here because I've moved stuff and gotten rid of stuff and organized stuff and put it where it belongs, so it makes me feel so much better. And I did a clip dog paws for my little Colbert in Remington. So funny story today. I was waiting to film because Colby's outside and he's barking again. We had some dogs outside. I do live in the country, and there was dog barking going on, and my German Shepherd was having a fit. I looked out, and there's a herd of sheep, a small herd, like 20-25 sheep. Including little babies, but little lambs. They're so cute. But they were just helping themselves to our greenery. And the two sheep herder dogs with them were irritating my dog at the fence, but it was neat. And then they were there for a while, and then they ran and leapt across the road into the neighbor, across the street into their backyard. And I thought, that's a find to wake up to, sheep in your backyard when you don't own sheep. So it's kind of a unique, fun day. And I would like to start off with, I put this little stone here. I have several of them here, but I want to share it with you. It says, God is our refuge and strength, Psalm 46:1. And have the little green stone there as a place marker for me to stay in frame. I hate it when I try to edit my videos and I'm out of frame. Sorry about that. I just get involved. So today I'm going to be finishing with remnants of this kit, which it's this one page. I have several boxes on here, a few deco items, and then some from other pages that I just put in my sticker book to save, but I'm going to try to use up my boxes this week for March. We still have until Thursday of the following week to complete March, but I'm going to put a spring spread here, I'm sure. We'll move into spring. And speaking of spring, I'm going to start with washi at the bottom, and I just pulled out, I think this will be cute, greenery at the bottom, and it's tending tape from Cultivate What Matters, what they use in their power sheets. So I haven't used this green. I thought it would match well at the bottom with what I got going on. If you didn't see last week's video where I had an oopsie, that was funny, but it worked. I was planning to use this green the days of the week from Plan to Create. Etsy shop, and Jo is in Australia, but she's a wonderful shop to purchase from. And then when I actually started laying my stickers down, I had picked 2 pages, so I wasn't planning on using that, but it worked out well. Look at that. It's like I knew what I was doing. Oh, and this should be a short, quick video. Now I do hear Colby, and he's still bothered by the sheep roaming around. You see, that looks nice. It matches this. It's almost like I had a plan. And I did, as I was taking the stickers off of the extra pages because I was throwing them away, I had these extra flags, and I put them down because I knew that I had meetings on Tuesday and Thursday of next week, and I just went ahead and threw those in. But I'm thinking of the boxes. I do need to use these boxes. I know we'll have a staff meeting on Monday, and then I have a different meeting on Tuesday and Thursday, and that's what we got going on right now. But I do start my STAR. I'm a special education teacher, and we give the STAR alternate version. And because my kids receive accommodations, I have to prep the accommodations for each student for each test, and that will work out to be about 30 tests because I have 5th graders, 4th graders, and 3rd graders. The 5th graders do take they take 3 different tests, and it will be math, reading, and science. And the 4th graders will be taking 3 different tests, will consist of math, reading, and writing. And then my 3rd grader will take 2 tests, math and reading. So I have to prep each individual test in each content area for each student. And not only is the prep individualized with modifications, accommodations, but also my when I administer the test, I have to administer it to 1 student at a time. It's not a group administration, small group administration. So it's a little different, and that's all I can say about that. So I know when we return, that's what I will return to, is all my STAR prep. So here we go. And I'm going back to the format that I planned before dividing this, where I have home task and work task in there, and I'm going to put weekend at the bottom, but I don't have an extra weekend banner, so this is how it's going to go. And by the way, I did record my weather before I started using the phone, because I was recording it from my phone and wanted to have it down and talk about next week's weather. We have storms expected on tomorrow, Monday, and then we drop down in the 50s for a high again with wind. So we have another one of those up and down spring weather days coming at me. And I do love to use this highlighter. I like using the highlighter in the Hobonichi, and this one is the erasable friction. So I appreciate erasable because, you know, it happens. And I'm going to save that for next week. So on my weekend, how am I going to, I think I'll just put a little bow. Yeah, I'll just put a bow here to say, hey, here starts the weekend. That's cute. All right, so that's after school. My daytime, I'm not going to commit anything daytime yet. I will leave that for when I know what tasks I have. I do know my after school schedule, and I do know that my days are going to be filled. I do have to create a schedule for the assistant principal on the accommodations schedule, and then to-dos. All right, I'm gonna look back at last week's to-dos. I did not paint the hall trim. It ended up that my hubby took a couple of days off at the end of my week, and so I didn't commit to, you know, having any tasks by myself. We did spend time visiting grandkids, and that was great. So, and I know I'm not going to move that over to paint hall trim here because this is going to be a horrendous week with after school late night meetings. I will have to see where I can put that in on a weekend. So, yeah. Okay, here we go. Let's do Tuesday. Again, I'm going to use my green ink. Tuesday is my next level. It's called next level. And it is 4:45 to 6:15. And then Thursday is the lead case manager. I call it LCM. And it's from 4 to 5. So those are going to be late night meetings. Nothing on Friday except what I decide. I'll wait for, I think we have a LPAC, and I can pencil this. And those are from 3:45 to 5. And then Monday is faculty. Again, 3:45 to 5. So those are going to be long days next week. And welcome back to school. There we go. All right. On the weekend, I know hubby comes home and I spend a lot of time on Sunday doing laundry for the week. Do I have leftover laundry stickers? Not on this one. I have them and I'll get them. All right, so we're going to get our coffee Monday, because Monday we're going back to the grind. Yep. Coffee Monday. Here we go. Gonna do it all the way. And I like to remember to water my plants on Friday evening or Saturday. And so I'm just going to put my sticker down. And I think on Friday evening, I'm going to plan with some relaxing time, because it's going to be a long week. And when I come home in the evening, I want to have some wax melts, candles, some tea. Oh, I got some glorious tea from Israel. I did make a cup the other day, and as soon as I opened the bag, it was just a wonderful aroma, and it was delicious tea. I need to have another cup today. So, Washi Wednesday. I don't think I have a Simply Gilded order coming in this week. I'll have to check. I do have a Rose Colored Days coming in. And I'm going to put it Happy Mail here. If it does come in, I'll be sure to share it with you. Some gorgeous stickers from Rose Colored Days. She had her $2 Tuesday sale last week, and I did jump on that. And I would like to say, if you are watching and you want to order the DEKdesigns, if you go to their website, DEKdesigns.com, and place your order, if you use Marcy15 at checkout, you get a 15% discount on regular priced items. It doesn't count on new release Sundays because those are already discounted. And then on your free kit, on Wednesday Hump Day free kit, it doesn't, because it's already free, but you can get a discount on other items that you use to qualify, because your free kit is, it qualifies with a $22 purchase. But if you do use my discount, you need $26 in your cart, because when you use the 15% discount, it would put you below the $22 qualification. So, see, I want to use all this, and look, I have so much left. That would be cute up there if I hadn't already put that down, this box. but I'm gonna put it here because it's pretty. Fit perfectly. It's like I had that planned and I didn't. Just lucky me, lucky me. Luck of the Irish, right? So let's put some of that luck of the Irish down. No doctor's appointments. All right. Yeah, that's cute. And if I have another one for some deco up here. I'm looking at filling the space here. I didn't know if I wanted the vase or, oops. How do I want that to lay? Just a little bit more deco, and I want this on the page. Okay. Alrighty, this is looking good. And see, I said I'm gonna come and use the rest of my kit, and I didn't. I really feel that my stickers are sufficient for the time, and I have all this extra deco that I will be adding to my leftover sticker book. And this is also from DEKdesigns. And I do have another one I ordered. I'm thinking about having a giveaway soon, and I think that the sticker book would be an awesome gift to give away because I really do love mine. Anyway, I think that it does it for my morning. I'll have to add my leftover sticker to my sticker book and continue filling in as we go. I'm not going to touch the weekend yet. That's open, and then I will add to-dos as I need them. So thank you for spending some of your planning minutes with me. I appreciate you. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.